In this video, we'll see some more actions into an artifact. Like we can open an artifact in a new window, in a new tab. We can share the link of the artifact and some more features. So let us see the more actions. So I'll open the same artifact 2592. I'll open that artifact. Now I'll just click on this more actions. The name I've given as more actions because we have collected all the small things here. So the third one, if you see, share link to an artifact. Now if I click on this share links to an artifact, what will happen is I can just copy this URL, okay, and I can send it into a mail or somewhere, so the person can just click on that link and open it. So he doesn't have to remember the ID number, he doesn't have to remember the name or tags, anything. So this URL I can just copy it. So I'll just right click and I'll copy it, and if I want I can just paste on the new tab like this, paste and go. So the same artifact will open here. So that is nothing but some people call it as a permalink, PERAMILINK, permalink. Okay, so I'll just open it. So this way you can find out. So that is share link to the artifact, right? Next is, we have seen this into a other video. Also the create, review and open history is in the other video. Next is, if I want to create a duplicate artifact of the same one, I'll just click on this duplicate artifact. So after creating duplicate artifact, there are few things it will ask. What is the new name? What is the location? And what is the different things you want? So I'll say I want this folder and the name should be the same. So I'll click on OK. So it will copy the same artifact into the other artifact, right? So that will be pasted into that location itself. So next one, we will see that we have something as move to the current move to some other folder. So if I click on this move to folder, right now it is in some other folder. If I want, I can change the folder, and it is nothing but a cut paste kind of. If you want to cut artifact from one location, you can paste into another location. So this way can work. Similarly, there is few options again, that is add to collection. Add to collection is, you can say, you collect all the artifacts for a particular release, for particular functionality, enhancement. So detail for collection, we have a separate video. Next is create artifact template. You can modify this artifact template and you can create a separate which can be reused for another artifact itself. Next is deleting an artifact. The artifact will be permanently deleted and you will not be able to find out. The next one, I have this open artifact in a new tab. So if I click on this open artifact in new tab, a parallel tab will get open. You see there's a parallel tab which is open and the entire artifact is available. So I'll just close it. That is one thing. But now the other thing is, if I want to open an artifact not in the same place, but I want to open an artifact in the new window, I'll select this and a separate window will be opened in which the artifact will be visible, right? So I do not want it right now. That's a default browser which is available here. So that's it. And manage suspicions, we have a separate video for that. So these are the more actions which are useful when we open an artifact and you can use it. Similarly, one more thing I would show here. This is known as, the green color link is nothing but known as breadcrumbs. Breadcrumbs. So if you click on that breadcrumbs, it's nothing but a hyperlink. It will navigate to that folder in which this artifact is present. So it came to that place. So if I go back to this place, yeah. So this is nothing but a breadcrumb. It's nothing but a hyperlink which will navigate to me to that particular folder. Similarly, this is nothing but two artifacts. That means it will take me to this artifacts page. So if I click on this place, it will take me to the artifacts, and based on the criteria, based on the filter, I'll get all the options or the contains all the artifacts available here. So I hope you have understood how to work on more actions of the artifacts. That's all for this video.